Welcome to Chris T's Kitchen. Today we are making French onion soup. You will need a large knob of butter, 3 large onions, a splash of olive oil, 2 small garlic cloves, 550 milliliters of beef stock, a splash of brandy, half a teaspoon of sugar, a sprig of thyme, 1 bay leaf, a baguette, 65 grams of grated Gruyère cheese, and salt and pepper. Cooking method. Top, tail, cut in half and peel 3 large onions. Slice the onions. Heat a large knob of butter and olive oil in a large saucepan over a medium heat. Add the sliced onions. Add 1 sprig of thyme and 1 bay leaf. Then add 2 crushed garlic cloves. Stir and place on a lid. Cook for 30 minutes. Every so often remove the lid and stir to stop the onions catching on the bottom. After 30 minutes, remove the lid and add half a teaspoon of sugar. Cook for 15 minutes, they should turn a rich golden brown. Again, every so often give the onions a stir to stop them catching on the bottom. After 15 minutes, add a generous splash of brandy. Stir the onions, scraping the bottom of the pan. Add 550 milliliters of beef stock. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Fish out the thyme and bay leaf. Bubble for 10 minutes. Preheat the grill. Slice fewer pieces of a baguette at an angle. Grill those slices until golden brown. Turn the slices over and sprinkle on finely grated Gruyère cheese, but reserve some to go on top of the soup. Return to the grill to melt the cheese. Remove from the grill. Serve up by ladling some of the soup into a bowl and place 2 of the grilled cheese baguette slices and add some of the retained cheese. My French onion soup. A large portion of French onion soup.